What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'm back in the 330, just visiting family very shortly. I'll probably be back in the 440 tomorrow. But a lot of you guys wanted me to do updates on my M1 Finance Dividend Portfolio, and I'll go over my dividend distribution. By the way, there is a special. If you use my affiliate link, we both get $30 if you're interested in signing up. We are at 6,200 Dividend Warriors strong. So I'm going to show you these stocks that I'm buying. They have consistent dividend increases. I've done numerous videos on them. I'm going right after them. They're monthly dividend stocks, they're quarterly dividend stocks, and I'm really going after the real estate sector. So I'm going to go over that real quick. So let's check this out right now. I'm at $24,954.09 right now on the Death Star. I have been really focusing on these real estate investment trusts because, the market's taken a little bit of a dip, and there are stocks, especially the real estate sector, that has not really recovered since the pandemic. So I've been loading up in a lot of these dividend stocks. And by the way, I always have my pie in the description. So if you're interested, just click the pie and do a replica if you're interested, and you can make changes on your own. I'm going to modify this section right here. So I'm just letting you know it's not going to stay at 1%, but I have a lot of shares of Iron Mountain and LTC there, but I'm going to add probably might do the pharmaceutical stuff in there. So that percentage is going to change probably to 8 or 9% eventually. So I'm just letting you know. But the real estate investment trusts I'm really targeting are MPW Properties, DOC, Plymouth Industrial REIT, Healthcare Trust of America, and Ares Commercial Real Estate Corp. So my percentage is at 10%. I call it the super REIT right there. They're cheaper stocks. The best way to say it is they're cheaper stocks. There's a dip there, and they're really, I think, except OPI, they're very pandemic proof and recession proof. I'm keeping a very close eye on OPI because they have an 8% dividend yield, and I need to be careful right there. I mean, it's looking like there's a little bit of a yield trap, so I need to be really careful with some decisions that I'm making. Hopefully there's not. Seems like that they're not doing too bad. So, that's a high yield. Another one is Omega Healthcare Investors. They have 946 facilities, right around that. They have an 8.54% dividend yield. They're in the United States and the UK, and these guys have underperformed the market. They're cheap. They're $30.56. I've earned $43.56 in dividends because of these guys. So I'm still going to load up on these guys. I don't care if they take a huge dip. Big deal. I don't care if they decrease their dividend down to 5%. Big deal. They're $30.56. I've got very nice dividend income. I'm going to reinvest. I'm going to try to get up to 50 shares, maybe 100. I'm at 30.87 shares. These guys have consistently increased their dividend, which makes these guys very attractive as a real estate investment trust. So I'm going all in with these guys with a 7% distribution on my pie fractional share. Same with Altria. Altria is 48.22, 7.03% dividend yield. Now, I've done numerous videos on these guys. Their revenue has increased significantly, and they've done pretty well. And again, this is not financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. I have a disclaimer in my description, but these guys, people are going to smoke. They don't care. This is a sin stock. This is a very popular sin stock. People are going after the Mary Jane business, and these guys are heavily investing in the Mary Jane business. And of course, you got qyld, ryld, and xyld. My goal is to get to $1,000 to $3,000 a month my monthly dividends, and $2,000 to $4,000 a month my quarterly dividends. If I can get to at least $100 each in these guys, I'm going to be doing some serious damage, because these guys, their distribution is monthly. They're a monthly dividend ETF, and they're just doing such a great job for my portfolio, so I can start buying other stocks. The other one that I'm really loading up on is VC properties. So I have done a few videos on these guys. These guys are real estate investment trusts. They're a sin stock, and they're on the entertainment properties in Vegas, the casinos and everything. So these guys are a specialized real estate investment trust that are way down. So I'm really capitalizing on a mini dip that they have. They have pretty good dividend increases, and the price per share right now is 30.18 with a 4.4% dividend yield. So I'm very excited. And the other thing is the MGP or MGM growth properties with the basically they're going to be merging. That's my understanding. That's going to make these guys even more powerful. And again, real estate investment trust, 90% of what they make, they send back to us as investors. Otherwise, they're not really a real estate investment trust. So that's what makes them and business development companies special. SLG Realty Corp and Agree Realty Corporation, I'm going to start changing my percentage on these guys. Monthly dividend real estate stocks, I absolutely love these ones. I'm going to be loading up on those guys. I want that monthly dividend income. British American Tobacco, again, that's a sin stock. That's one that I'm starting to pump some money in because people are going to smoke, they don't care, and BTI has significant dividend increases as well as the real estate investment trust Spirit Realty Capital. And I like the way things are going with my portfolio. I need to probably get about 50 shares in each of these before I really start making changes. So once I get to about 35,000, I'm going to start adding more stocks. I have to put the brakes on, get more shares, and then go from there. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Darth Dividend. You guys have a good one. My head is like spinning in circles. I had a long group project, had a 15-page paper, and things will hopefully slow down after November 2nd. So you guys take care and have a good one.